Next time your friend, family member, or a colleague is flying to the US, please don't ask them to get you an iPhone. Cut them some slack, give them a break. Because guess what? iPhones might soon be cheaper in India than in the United States. You heard that right. Thanks to a new 104% tariff bomb dropped by Donald Trump, Apple's production costs in China just doubled overnight. And Apple, they are packing their bags and looking at India. Seriously. So let's give you a drop down of what exactly happened. US President Donald Trump just dropped the biggest tariff bomb in US history. 104% tariffs on Chinese imports effective immediately. I mean, that's not a typo. From 10% to 104% in under a week. Wild. But I mean, Mr. Trump is known to do things like that. But let's do the math. Before the tariff war, it cost Apple about $550 to make an iPhone 16 Pro. Now, thanks to the new 104% import duty, the number jumps up to a staggering $1,122. I mean, that's just the production cost. Imagine the final price tag with Apple's margin. Whoa! I mean, this might soon be more exclusive than your limited edition Rolex. But why has this happened? Here's the context. China slapped a 34% retaliatory tariff on the US last week, and Trump did not blink. Instead, he quadrupled down. He calls it a reciprocal tariff strategy. But for tech companies, it's an absolute nightmare. China suffering a 104% tariff. India, we are lucky that way, just 26% tariff. So what could be Apple's move in India? What's Apple doing? Exactly what you'd expect. They are airlifting iPhones out of India. 5 jumbo jets flew iPhones from India to US warehouses in just 3 days, racing the tariff deadline. India's 26% tariff suddenly looks like a dream deal to US. So what could happen next? If Apple can't shift enough production to India, prices will spike. Absolutely. And not just in the US, but globally. For now, Apple's eating the extra cost. But for how long? That itself is the billion-dollar question. Quite literally. So is this the end of affordable iPhones? Or that ploy where you get a friend or a relative to bring back an iPhone from the States? Or is this the beginning of Made in India Apple domination? I mean, Foxconn is already ramping up production in Bengaluru itself and aiming to double output to 30 million units. So with all of this, India might not just be the place where iPhones are made, but might soon be where they are cheapest too. So yeah, as I said, the next time your friend or colleague is flying to the States, don't ask them to get you an iPhone. It might be the other way around. The next time they come here, they might be buying it from here. It's like the Uno reverse card now. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Would you like to see India becoming the primary production site of iPhones? Tell us in the comments. Share this video with a fellow tech enthusiast and of course, a fellow Apple enthusiast as well. For more such real-time live updates from the world of tech and AI, subscribe to AIM TV. Think AI, think AIM.